Tall motherfucking Dre. Y'all nigga get back at me. Savage this shit, bitch. Light.
What your nephew doing? What we were doing back in the day?
What we were doing? Taking shit, nigga. Look at. Where you going?
These niggas
Say,
said.
baby, I don't know where I'm going.
These niggas said, you ain't no real capital home, nigga.
Who said that?
That's what they said.
Nah, they can't say that.
Big dog. Yeah, the big dog. Real money. What the hell that is on your wrist, Metro?
Fine, John.
Yeah.
Fuck ass nigga. Hey, this line right here, yeah. Yeah, straight up Capitol Home. Now y'all nigga get back at me, zone 3. Y'all nigga let them know who gangsta about.
A nigga like Savage on a motherfucking flight, nigga, in real life, nigga. $100,000 watch shit. Yeah. Slaughter gang shit, 21 shit. Yeah, well, we ride private jets and shit now, ain't
Yeah, you
we ain't gotta take shit no more, do it.
Hey, nigga, what you saying, man? Nigga went from that to this. Nigga believe.
Going in the air. Going up. Oh, we in the air. We in the air. We in the air. Oh, shit. Damn it, dog, man. Oh, shit. Nah, for real.
Yeah, crossface killer, wild and untamed gorilla. Atlanta represent 'em, they send my whole squad to get ya.
Fucking mask,
Put
got
the
that
crossface a
cash.
nigga. Put the crossface a nigga. Put the crossface a nigga.